So today I will be talking about some things I found really useful for me in helping Mom after her stroke to keep me sane. I have these Wi-Fi sockets that you plug in. There's an app on my phone so I can turn on and off the lights from anywhere in the world. Not that I go anywhere in the world, but from work anyways. I have a watch with a fall alarm detection, so if she would wear it, if she fell, it would alert me on my phone. This particular one is older, so there's probably newer ones that work with newer phones and apps. This one is just a plain black band with a button. You can have an alarm set, like a loud piercing noise. If you are attacked by someone in the park, you can push the button and it'll make an alarm. Or you can do a silent alarm. But for my purposes, it was for Mom to alert me if she fell down, because we all know that's not a good thing. I have a Arlo doorbell, no, not Arlo, Ring doorbell, which is attached to a chime by the front door. So this is good for outside, so when people drop off deliveries and they push the button, you can answer, even if you're somewhere else. And you can see them. You can talk through it. It's not bad. There's usually a little bit of a delay. But anyways, I've brought that in the house and just had it propped up in the corner somewhere, so when I'm away I can see what Mom's doing in the kitchen or if she's needs help. Another thing I had here, another doorbell, just an Arlo Ring. So you push the button and it rings. So this one also goes to the same app and it will phone me on my phone and I can answer it and I can talk through it and they can talk to me. But in my case, for Mom, when she just got back from the hospital, I had this beside her bed, and I think I even had it upside down so there was no flashing lights. And when she'd get up in the morning, because it has motion detection, it would alert me that she was up, so I could jump up and go make sure she was good and getting what she needed. I've got more cameras that I can put outside that have a magnetic back that clip to the whatever, and I can see when she comes in and out that sliding door because she likes to go in and out the door and wander. So yeah, that's my technology for the day. Oh yes, and we have the Amazon Home. So you could also use this to make a phone call. If she could talk, I'm trying to set this up so she can at least say something that the machine will pick up and call emergency number if she needs it. Yeah, she can call me if she wants to. But again, her limited ability to remember this stuff is getting more challenging to deal with. So I just want to be able to figure out ways that I can keep an eye on her when I'm not around. Anyways, love you. Hope you have a wonderful day. It's beautiful out there.